In a construction environment, lean construction is geared at designing systems of production with the aim of reducing the time, effort, and materials required. Its essential goal is to reduce the waste of materials and man-hours at a work site. Why should you care about lean construction? In the construction business, less is more sometimes. Lean construction ensures that project managers get work done on time and at a lower cost. It maximizes value while minimizing cost at the same time when handling planning, project activation, design, and maintenance responsibilities. Since this model was introduced and adopted by construction stakeholders, the profitability and productivity of companies have experienced a spike. Characteristics of lean construction management. Lean construction comprises of the following. Design and engineering concurrence. The project objectives are clearly spelled out in words and numbers. Project control at all stages of the process. Within the framework of lean construction, every party involved in the process is taken into consideration. From the constructors to the architects, the designers to the tradesmen, even the owner, everybody is carried along. This is to ensure that the project is executed with the tools and materials of the highest quality. Lean construction also delivers projects faster, with cost minimization in mind. What are the benefits of lean construction? As a construction project manager, lean construction offers you the following benefits. Number 1. Profit maximization. Lean construction helps you maximize profit by limiting waste in terms of materials, labor, and wasted man-hours. Number 2. Protecting the environment. A lot of waste is generated at work sites, and it is your responsibility to ensure that the waste doesn't create problems for the environment and the residents who work or live nearby. Lean construction ensures social responsibility in terms of how you manage your waste. Number 3. Stimulates creativity and productivity. It stimulates the talents of your workers as it helps them identify the areas they fit in within the work frame. It also improves their productivity during work hours as they focus on their areas of specification. Number 4. It offers your firm comparative advantage. Lean construction ensures that your organization sticks to projects or techniques that it is good at. Playing to your strength offers more possibilities for growth, sustainability, and profitability. Lean construction of and designs matter because the art of construction is very organized. The effect of this approach to construction impacts the performance of everyone involved in the process. When compared to other traditional approaches of work management, lean construction saves costs and stimulates productivity. The break-even point and project expenses are very low when a lean approach is implemented, so it helps builders to avoid waste. Have something to add to this discussion? Let us know in the comments section below.